Today we're gonna be opening Giant Kong. So, it's huge. It's about 11 inches tall, and this is normal Kong. And look how much bigger it is when I put it in. That's a lot bigger. So, and also I gotta read this. And look at the picture. It's like this is in the movie. So now I'll read it. Legends cuddle as Godzilla and Kong, the two most powerful features of nature, clash into a spectacular battle for the ages. The monster war rages on the surface and deep within our Earth world, that the spectacular secret realms of all of the titans known as the Hollow Earth is revealed. Okay, so it's a really cool one. Okay, now we're going to take it out. So I need the scissors. Take this thing out. There. And then we gotta do this side. It's actually pretty hard to cut it off. There. And now let's cut off his feet. I can just take off. Huh? Now I'm going to cut off his feet. Oh. Okay. So, I cut it out now. So, now I'm going to take it out. This is so big. It doesn't make any sounds. But you can move his arms all the way around, I think. Yeah, you can. And his fists like spin around, and I just noticed that this spin arounds, but it'll be kind of hard because it's like half, and his head spins around a little bit. And the person that, and also I'll tell you where I got this. I got this at Walmart, and is at South Carolina Walmart. So I got it at Walmart, and there was no Godzillas, but there was Kongs, and there was only one more of these ones. There's 3 more Giant Kongs that I saw, and I got the Giant Kong, and the last thing that spins around are his feet. Kind of spin around. But then I'll just show you how much bigger. So it's about, so normal is like, the normal one is like as tall as his leg. And it's actually a little heavy. It's a big scratch on like this little one. and the fur is darker than this one. And also, I kind of like this one better because it's giant, and it looked like it was gonna make sounds, but there was another Kong at Walmart that made sounds. This one doesn't either. This one doesn't make sounds. So soon I'll get the one with sounds, and it just recorded the sound of Kong in the movie or in the Skull Island one. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.